Intranasal naloxone demonstration. In this brief video, we will review the key steps in responding to an opioid overdose, recognizing the overdose, calling for help, rescue breathing, administering naloxone, and staying with the victim until help arrives. A person overdosing on opioids will be unresponsive and either not breathing or struggling to breathe. If you suspect someone has overdosed, attempt to wake them by calling their name and rubbing your knuckles on their breastbone. Next, call 911. Tell the dispatcher there is someone who is unresponsive and not breathing. Start rescue breathing. Tilt the head back, pinch the nose, and make a seal with your mouth on the victim's mouth. Give 2 slow breaths, then 1 breath every 5 seconds. Watch the chest rise with each breath. If the victim is still not responding, give naloxone. The medicine can work even if the person is not breathing.
So this is the nasal spray. There are 3 parts: the atomizer, the plastic tube, and the naloxone. First, you're going to take the yellow parts off the top and the bottom of the plastic tube. You're going to remove the purple cap on the naloxone. You're going to take the atomizer and hold it by its plastic wings, and you're going to twist that into the plastic tube.
What if you held it by the white bit?
It's better to hold it by the plastic wings so it doesn't break. You're then going to take the medication and twist that into the end of the plastic tube. You don't want to twist too tight, but just enough until you get resistance. This is glass, so you want to be careful that it doesn't break and twist too hard. You're going to then spray the naloxone, half of the tube, into one nostril and the other half into the other nostril until the naloxone is completely administered.
Continue rescue breathing while you wait for the naloxone to work. After 3 minutes, if the person has not responded, give another dose of naloxone. Continue rescue breathing until the ambulance arrives. If the person starts breathing, put the person in the rescue position. Stay until help arrives. Do not leave the person alone after giving naloxone. If the person took a long-acting opioid like methadone or extended-release oxycodone, the person could overdose again when the naloxone wears off. This may happen in as little as 30 minutes. Make sure the person does not take any more opioids. Thank you for watching this video, and please share it with your friends and family.